I will be taking a yoga class by the Ganga, and I'm so excited. From the top, I'm just trying to look for a spot. Yeah, and I'm carrying like mats with me. But yeah, this is amazing. I used to dream about taking class, doing yoga by the Ganga. Okay, okay. I don't want to get too dramatic, but yeah. Also, actually, Mahashivratri. So I started my day pretty early, but I didn't record. So there might be a lot of people in the ghat, but let's see. I'm just gonna have to figure out a secluded place. I did not even vlog after the class. I just came back to my regular cafe, drinking water. It was an amazing experience for me. Mahashivratri mein they celebrated like a holy. 5, 4. No. Press your this portion down. We were here taking some yoga videos, some breathing videos.
Now I'm going to play some happy drums.
He made some good content. Now he's gonna edit it and eventually it will be uploaded, but yeah. Play. Pahari khana. The place is called Dindiali. वाला आलू प्याज दाल
का।
अच्छा।
बुरास की चाय भी है, चाय पीने तो चाय पी सकते हैं।
This is the meditation hall. Let's go inside. So this is so nice. These walls are made from cow dung. And it has that gaon wala feeling.
Connected.
तो ये ओके, तो ये क्या है?
पल्लर।
पल्लर। ये मैंने ट्राई किया है, बहुत अच्छा है, स्पाइसी है। ये भी बहुत अच्छा है।
मटर की
मटर ये भी बहुत अच्छा है। ये
भांग की चटनी,
भांग की चटनी और ये
चौसा।
चौसा, बट ये है क्या चौसा?
चौसा एक दाल को मतलब मिक्स दाल को ग्राइंड करके बनाते हैं बहुत।
और ये आलू के गुटके
आलू से गुट।
और ये खीर।
ये खीर है पर झंगोरे की।
झंगूरे, झंगूरे क्या होता है?
झंगोरा एक होता है, आप देखो सर्च करो।
और ये चावल,
लाल चावल, पहाड़ी चावल,
लाल चावल। और ये रेडिश लग रहा है कि कुकुम्बर?
कुकुम्बर है।
कुकुम्बर है, ओके।
मजा आएगा।
टाइम बता दीजिए। हाँ ठीक है,
मजा आ गया। First we'll start with
हाँ
understanding what you are trying to understand. So like
okay.
as you were saying in the cafe that you want to understand more about PCOD and PCOS and make men understand more about women,
Yeah.
make it simpler for men and also for women who don't understand their body, educate women as well, but mainly men as well, which is my point. I'm like, please educate men on this. So to understand the level of pain women go through periods, he's trying this experiment. First of all, where did you find this?
This
Yes.
यहाँ ऋषिकेश के लेके आया।
कहाँ से?
ऋषिकेश में एक फिजियोथेरेपी में लेके आया। I know this will work.
You bought this or you borrowed this from
No, I
someone?
bought this. Education. I mean, I'm like this. If I feel like I want to learn something, I want to understand something,
Really?
I go full on. I don't do ada.
So how many monthly every month you're gonna try to feel the pain?
You tell.
Yeah,
You
5
give me.
days.
You give me a target.
5 days every month.
And I, as far as I understood, especially women who are having a lot of stress, anxiety, or trauma, these people have a lot of period cramps.
Got your period?
I got my periods. So check for. अभी पता नहीं. We going to make content.
I have a period acne.
Yeah.
Yeah, how will you replicate the acne? Acne,
Relate तो करते
the
हैं.
mood swings. Oh my god, don't get me started with the mood swings. The crying for silly, stupid things that happened 5 years ago.
Yeah. And then,
How will we replicate that?
I don't know, but for now I know that एटलीस्ट इतना तो कर सकते
इतना तो कर सकते, ठीक है.
अगर कुछ कर सकते तो पहले वो कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद देखते
Mood
हैं.
swings का देखते हैं, मैं कुछ. Now you do it. Mainly you will do it.
Okay,
So
for
are you
now-
sure this is just periods का और pregnancy का भी?
No, this, okay, I'll tell you what happens with this in terms of as an electronic or electrical engineer.
Okay.
तो इसमें क्या होता है? So normally this is not, so consider this is positive, this is negative. ठीक है?
Okay.
तो इसमें से electrons जाता है. So this is like a circuit. Consider this as a circuit. ठीक है? And then power इससे आता है. Okay, or it goes from negative and then positive, it goes back.
Okay.
ऐसा फ्लो होता है. You know, अगर हमने पानी में रखा, पानी से करंट पास होता है.
हाँ.
अगर इस पे रखा तो करंट पास नहीं होगा. बॉडी से भी करंट पास होता है. सो इससे क्या होता है, लेट्स से वी कीप इट ऑन एब्डोमिनल मसल, एब्स पे यहाँ ऐसा रखा, तो इट इज गोइंग टू पास करंट एंड देन इट गोज टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड.
Okay.
इससे क्या होता है,
Your body is a medium.
हाँ, सो इससे क्या होता है, मसल का कॉन्ट्रैक्शन और एक्सपेंशन होता है. सो दिस इज नॉट, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली मेन डू नॉट हैव यूट्रस, तो यूट्रस का पेन अलग होता है. सो यूट्रस का पेन क्रिएट नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि यूट्रस नहीं है.
Yes.
तो सिर्फ यहाँ कर सकते हैं, मसल का पेन होता है. इट इज नॉट रियली पीरियड क्रैम्प, बट इट इज जस्ट
Somewhat similar,
हाँ,
because
similar
that's what
thing.
happens
हाँ.
in period.
हाँ, एंड ऑल्सो बिकॉज यहाँ छोटा मसल होता है अभी ना if I do it here, यहाँ तो मसल डेंसिटी ज़्यादा होता है.
What if it's like you'll be like more than pain, this is more like massage?
No, okay. So until there's a threshold limit. Okay. So if you go till 100 hertz of frequency, you will be like a massage.
Okay.
It will be this machine is made for massage.
I think I'll borrow this for massage.
So this is that, and then after that, if you go for 1500 and then slowly increase the intensity, obviously you'll feel the pain. This is also the basic one. This only has 6 levels of intensity, but इसमें भी दूसरा वाला होता है, उसमें 10 का होता है. So according to the documents I read, until 4 if you reach, you will feel the period cramps wala pain. Similar kind. It is not accurate, but similar kind of pain. But if you go take the intensity to 10, it almost creates pain, labor pain जितना pain create करता है. So I felt कि I mean ऐसा बातें करने से you cannot make men understand. You know men.
Yes.
You cannot make them understand. They have to feel it because see.
And make them feel पूरा.
हाँ पूरा करते हैं. हाँ मेरे पे नहीं करते. ओके पर करते हैं. So there's one more thing. हाँ because see men most of the time because of society or from childhood they try to think logic. They try to find solutions that this. But emotion ज़्यादा नहीं सोचते हैं. And then most of the time for them it has to make sense. I mean the kind of mindset.
Got it.
But अगर ये दिखे ना अरे भाई they'll feel it. अरे भाई ठीक से pain है, बहुत pain है. So they're going to feel it.
I think I'll also understand being with you. I'll understand how men actually operate. I think I'll understand that more.
So this one.
Yes, do it.
Hey,
Wanna do it?
I need gel. So gel yesterday I tried it here. So okay क्या होता है? So we have to make
We
sure.
should call यहाँ के सारे लड़के and then we should.
I need your help
all
for
of
that.
them, all of them
I need
to
your help for
experience that. We'll organize a day.
I need your help for that. I'm telling
We'll
you.
do it.
Then I'm in. क्योंकि अगर
Every guy should.
मैं
All the
पूछ
girlfriends will be down.
हाँ अगर मैं पूछा तो लड़का नहीं आएंगे. They won't come.
Oh, then I'll have to convince guys like, hey, hi guys,
Yeah.
you want to know how much we hurt during our period?
Because I mean it has to happen, and then if it happens in I also feel that this has to happen in colleges and schools क्योंकि वहाँ से शुरू हुआ ना कि what kind of experience because they'll have that sense कि क्या हो रहा है and then by the time they grow up they become 25-30 years old.
Yeah.
They'll understand क्या हो रहा है.
You should do this. Do this, seriously. Do this for men.
Obviously,
Do this for men so they can understand
but first
women a bit better.
I need someone to help me, girl, to have this and tell me if it is similar kind of pain or
Or
not.
not. You have a lot of girls over here.
You're there, na?
I don't want extra pain. I don't take extra pain.
See, you need men to understand. So you need to. Do
I want men to understand me, not
but-
me to understand men. I understand
no.
men.
I want you to tell me कि if this pain is similar pain or
similar or
not.
not.
Because अगर आपको लगा ये इतना इससे कुछ नहीं है. I mean, if you feel like इससे ज़्यादा होता है, तो ज़्यादा बढ़ाएंगे ना.
So pain is also very different when it comes to PCOD. It's not over just here. It's sometimes all over the body.
Yeah.
And sometimes the pain is like pinch में आता है. Like somebody pin. How to explain it? Like चुभने जैसा रहता है, and then it's gone.
Yeah.
And this happens in like intervals.
See, this is what happens.
Okay.
हाँ.
I like you are in for full experience.
This is for that. अभी इसका resistance थोड़ा ज़्यादा है. अगर कम resistance वाला मिल गया ना, now I just bought whatever I got. They have.
And what is this for? This is to tie it.
I mean, इसका तो सिर्फ gel. It depends on where you are doing it.
And this is just to keep wires in place.
हाँ, that's it.
गॉड
So
ये तो शुरू है।
usually this
patch.
they do it here. ये हाथ के लिए है। अभी यहाँ तो we can use tape. मैं दिखाऊंगा।
ठीक है, तो जेल नहीं है अभी।
हाँ।
जब जेल आ जाएगा उसके बाद we'll do it on him.
Yep.